Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are in the world, take a deep breath because what you're about to hear might just change the way you see success forever. Imagine this, a young man sitting in a tiny room typing with hope in his eyes. He has no money, no power, no special connections, but he has one thing, a dream, a fire that refuses to die. His name is Jack Ma. Now what made him different? Not genius, not luck, but one thing. He refused to be lazy. There's one enemy stronger than fear, louder than doubt, and more dangerous than failure. It doesn't shout, it whispers. Sleep a little longer. Start tomorrow. You've got time, but it lies. Because every time you listen, your dreams die quietly. Laziness isn't harmless. It's a silent thief. It steals your time, your focus, and your future without you even noticing. Think about it. Laziness is that friend who says, "Come on, relax a little," when you know you should be working. Feels good now, but later, you regret it all. It's not just a habit, it's a trap. A full-time job that pays only in regret and missed opportunities. Meanwhile, the dreamers and doers are already up. They're not luckier or smarter. They just refuse to hit snooze on their life. When was the last time you saw someone scroll through social media for 8 hours and become a millionaire? Never. People once asked Jack Ma, "What's the secret of success?" He smiled and said, "It's simple. Just do what lazy people refuse to do." Lazy people say, "I don't have time," but they binge 5 seasons of a show. They say, "I don't have money," yet they always buy coffee, shoes, or the latest phone. They say, "I don't know where to start," but they spend hours watching others succeed. Laziness is a scam artist. It convinces you that thinking about success is the same as working for it. Success isn't magic. It's effort, consistency, action, even when you don't feel like it. If laziness were an Olympic sport, some of us would be champions. But no one ever built greatness from the comfort of a pillow. Jack Ma didn't start Alibaba with luck. He started with rejection. 30 investors said no. 30 doors closed, but he kept going. He worked harder, learned faster, and today, his name is known across the world. Now imagine if he had stopped, if he had said, "Maybe they're right," you wouldn't even know his name today. Excuses are expensive. They cost you your future. Laziness is an addiction, and the only cure is discipline. So wake up early, before the world does. Set small goals. Daily wins build big victories. Eliminate distractions. Your phone isn't your purpose. Surround yourself with hungry minds. Energy spreads. And start now. Not tomorrow, not Monday, now. Because someday isn't a real day. Laziness loves to say, "I'll start Monday." But Monday never comes. "I'll work out tomorrow," and tomorrow, you're just running to the fridge. You say you don't have time? Check your screen time. 5 hours. Gone. Lazy people are always tired. Tired from doing nothing. But hard work? It doesn't drain you. It fuels you. You say you want success? Then act like it. You say you want freedom? Then earn it. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best is right now. So stop waiting. Stop complaining. Wake up, get up, and fight for your future. Because success doesn't belong to the lucky. It belongs to those who work for it. This is Voice of Success. And greatness, it's waiting for you to show up.